Whips and Kicks. Check out this clean 88 Brougham Elegance I got. Picked up, was going through Marketplace, Facebook, found it for the low. Y'all wouldn't believe how low I got it for. Interior's immaculate. It got the old cloth in there. For the most part, the only thing the interior needs is a new headliner. Y'all see it. See no rips or tears in the seat. Body is straight. Still got all the factory hubs on there. I threw my Cadillac classic grill on there. I had a couple of these just laying around, but I ended up starting getting rid of them. I wish I had kept them because it's crazy how high these grills are getting right now. This Brougham right here got the factory premier roof on it, if y'all hip to that. It's like what the 90, 91, 92 roofs got. But yeah, man.
This is my next project. 1988 Cadillac Brougham Elegance. Pretty good shape. Only thing we got to do with this one is a little touch-up paint. Undecided if we're gonna go back white or pearl. Rag is in great shape. And on the interior, we're working on the headliner. Got to redo the headliner. Just got that tore down today. All of that. So that's what we got next with that. Get her back up and running. This one only got, what she got on her? 93,000 original miles. A lot better shape than that black Brougham we had put together. But yeah. Next one, we'll try to knock her out over the fall time. She'll be on the market next summertime. 1988 Cadillac Elegance.
Got a clean 88 Brougham Elegance right here, man, with the factory premier roof. That's where the vinyl roof goes around the small quarter windows in the back, just like the 90, 91, 92. But I'm about to tear this hairliner down, throw another one up in there. Check it out.
Got the headliner tore down.
People doing more fireworks.
And the Brougham. Got everything tore down. And visors. Clean up this mess. All this foam that fell from tearing it down.
Daddy, later the small ones
Get busy
made a big bubble.
and get that back in there. Holla at y'all later. Got the headliner back in there. Everything almost back in place. Just gotta finish up sewing the visors up and throw them back in business.
Money making flavor. That's what it sound like, nigga. We pull up, nigga, making flavor. We pull up summertime, nigga, drop top, cool. All the shit, you know how we do. Money making flavor. Peninsula Park, Young Park, wherever, nigga.
I've been sipping, I've been pimping, I done dinner scene everywhere. Ever since I lost my big bro, really I don't care. Faggot on my line, she gotta give me 10K. She 300 plus, she gotta pay me what she weigh. Ain't no tracks near my section, so we flavin' out of state. Don't be checking for me unless you checking for a date. Spins drive better when it's paid off. My nigga might hit you like he ate off. Shoot him in his teeth, knock his brace off. Free all of my niggas in the state. Oh shit, that's facts, they don't know how to act. Niggas getting too attached, forgetting to check the trap. Bitch, I'm back.